Good morning, dear students. I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Dear students, as you know that your examination is over, now it is time to start new topics. So, today we are going to start the topic preposition. Dear students, understand the word. What is the meaning of preposition? To understand its meaning, first of all, try to break the sentence clear in two parts and after that try to understand its meaning. So, break the word pre plus position. What is the meaning of pre? You know very well. Pre means before. And wherever in any sentence you find a preposition before a noun or a pronoun. For example, on the table, at home, to me, like this. All these you can see here, all these are preposition: on, at, to, and after it you always find a noun or a pronoun. It means that before a noun or pronoun you always find a preposition. It means that before means what? Before noun and pronoun always preposition comes. Clear? Now what is the meaning of position? Position means it always tells about the location, place and situation. Clear? For example, you can see the cat is sitting under the table. You can see, first of all, identify the preposition. You can see under, clear, and before noun it is used. Under, you can see the position. What you see? Position. Position of a cat where it is under the table. Clear? It means that if you remove it, the sentence has no any meaning. The cat is sitting the table. Clear? It means that we have to write another word to make a relationship between this noun with this word. Clear? It means that we have to put here a preposition. Clear? So what is the definition of preposition is now? Now you can say, don't cram the definition, always try to understand. What is the definition of preposition? Preposition is a word which is used, that is used to link other words. That is used to link other words. Clear? Now, preposition is a word that is used to link noun or pronoun. Noun or pronoun with other words in a sentence. Now you can see the word link is what? The word link is what? That is a preposition and that means relationship. That means relationship. That means relationship. Clear? It means that what is the relationship between noun, pronoun or other words? You can see here the cat is also a noun. Clear? And other word is what? Table. Now this preposition provides a relationship between cat and the table. Clear? So this is the definition, this is the meaning of a preposition word. Preposition is a word that is used to link noun or a pronoun with another words, and this other word may be a noun, as you can see in the sentence, the table. It may be a pronoun, clear, or it may be a verb, clear, and it may be an adjective, clear. So in this way you will understand the topic preposition. In another videos we shall discuss all other preposition. Thank you. Have a good day.